Hello everybody, hope everyone is doing well. I'm going to be sharing with you how I cook my teriyaki fried tofu. Hope you will try this recipe out, and if you do, I hope you will enjoy the dish. The ingredients we need to use include 1 block of 14 to 16 ounce firm or extra firm tofu, 6 shiitake mushrooms, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons minced ginger, and scallion. The first thing to do is to press the tofu. We need to press the firm or extra firm tofu for at least an hour. After pressing the tofu, we cut the tofu into triangles or cubes according to your preference. We then prepare the tofu marinade. We use 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon ground garlic, half teaspoon onion powder, and half teaspoon paprika. Then we whisk the marinade well. When the marinade is ready, we pour the marinade sauce over the tofu. We pour the marinade and the tofu into a Ziploc bag. Make sure the tofu is well marinated. We set it aside in the fridge for at least half an hour or even overnight. Once the tofu is marinated, we then fry the tofu. We cook the tofu for 3 minutes without turning. Then we flip the tofu over and cook 2 to 3 minutes more. We then set the tofu aside. We then prepare the teriyaki sauce. We use 1 cup low sodium soy, half cup pineapple juice, half cup water, 2 teaspoons sesame oil, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, and 2/3 cup brown sugar. And please note that this sauce is good enough for 2 servings or 2 blocks of tofu. We whisk the sauce. Then we need to heat the oil over medium heat. We fry the garlic and ginger till fragrant. We then add the sliced mushrooms. We cook the shiitake mushroom for 2 to 3 minutes. We then add the teriyaki sauce, and we will cook the sauce till it bubbles. When the sauce bubbles, we then add the slurry. We cook the sauce for another 3 to 5 minutes or till the sauce thickens. Once the sauce is ready, we pour the sauce, pour half the sauce or less over the tofu. We garnish the tofu with scallion, and we serve it with rice. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you enjoy the recipe today.